Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and we're going to discuss on installing Tor Browser on your Kali machine. Now basically, in order to easily install the Tor Browser, let's open up the terminal, and let me just clear this out of the way. And we're going to type in sudo. Actually, we don't need sudo because we are already logged in as root, so we can put add apt repository, the word universe, and sudo add update. Press enter. Once that's done, you're going to type in apt install Tor Browser launcher. Press enter. I previously already installed it, so once that is done, you can type in the command service Tor start. Press enter. And now that that's started, let's go ahead and install the Tor browser. So we're going to go to Firefox. Give it a moment here while it loads. And we're going to go to Tor project download. You're going to select the Linux version and save the file. Now I've already done this, so once that is done, you will get a error if you try to run it as root. So there's a way around that. What we can do is go to computer, then once you extract, we're going to need to extract those files. So I extracted the Tor browser and then copied it over to my computer machine, or I copied it over to the OPT folder. And if I scroll down, click on OPT, you see I have Tor browser, copied all the files there. Now you will get an error if you try to run it as root. So let's go to the browser folder. We're going to scroll down to where it says Start Tor Browser. Double click that. And then we're going to search for the word root. And we'll click root. And as you can see, over here you'll have an exit 1 comment. I deleted or removed that comment. Basically, as you see there, so just delete it, click on save, and then close out of it, and then right click and click on open the terminal, and then we can go ahead and run our Tor browser. You'll still get the error, but click OK. And as you can see, we're now are able to use Tor and search the dark web. Now basically what I want to discuss is using VPN so that you can remain anonymously. I had trouble saying that word, but you get the point. What we're going to do is we're going to type in VPNbook.com. And VPNbook.com is a free VPN service. So if you wanted to, you can collect, as OpenVPN is installed on Kali, we click on OpenVPN. You can see the bundles for different countries. So in our case, if we wanted to remain anonymous, and we wanted to click on the first download. Let's download that. Download file. We're going to save. Actually, let's open it. And we're going to extract those certificates into a folder in our documents directory. So we'll click on the bundle and download it, and once we do extract the files, I extracted it into our documents folder. So if I go to documents, you can see the certificates. We're gonna we'll select which one we want to use. In our case, let's use TCP/80. So right click on that, click on rename, and copy the entire file name. Copy. And then we're going to open up in terminal. And we're going to type in open VPN. And then paste the certificate file name. Click on enter. And it's going to ask us for the authentication. So let's go back to the website. And we'll scroll down. You can see here's so we'll type in VPN book. Press enter, and the password is going to be R3G8BRZ. Press enter. So we'll give it a few moments while I complete the VPN connection. And now, as far as running on the web browser, we are running semi-anonymous. Now, the reason why I say that is because if you go to DNSleak.com, okay, so now that the page is loaded, we'll click on start. And as you can see, even though the IP address shows as Germany, you can see that it's actually able to still track that you are in the United States. So using VPN is not the most effective way to secure or to remain anonymous. For instance, if you was to use ZenMap, for example, anything that you do within ZenMap will still be traceable. This VPN that you're using to search the internet is only valid for the Tor Browser session. So even though you may be connected via VPN, anything you do within, let's say, ZenMap would be traceable. So as you can see, as well as the DNS leak, it's not a really good method to remain anonymous. Now the next video that I'm going to create is in reference to how to use proxy chains in order to be fully anonymous while searching on the internet. So thanks for watching. Click the like button if you like the video. If you don't like the video, still click the like button, and it'll motivate me to make more videos. Thanks and have a great night.